Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the login failed error in PUBG Mobile. So first, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Now try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the connection is causing the problem. Next, completely close PUBG Mobile and reopen it. Now check the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available game updates. You can also restart your phone and then try signing in PUBG again. Now make sure you're using the correct login method and that the account you're trying to access is linked to the correct platform. And if the problem continues, you need to check PUBG Mobile's official channels for server or maintenance updates. So that was how to troubleshoot PUBG Mobile login failures. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you for watching.